Good morning, students. I hope all of you are fine. Today we are going to continue with the chapter Materials of the Daily Use. As in the last lectures, we have done with the topic natural fibers and their example cotton and jute in the detail. In the today's lecture, we are going to discuss with the topic synthetic fibers or the man-made fibers. As the name indicates, they are made by the man, means they are not natural. They are artificial in nature. They are made from the different chemicals. That's why they are known as the synthetic fibers or the man-made fibers. The property of the synthetic fiber is that they are more in length, means their length is more as compared to the natural fiber, and they are long lasting, means their lifetime is long. But every as every coin everything or has one advantage as well as one limitation also. Same the synthetic fibers also has limitation that they are poor absorbent of moisture and they catch the fire easily, means poor absorbent of moisture mean they cannot easily absorb the water or the sweat, and once they contact with the fire they easily catch the fires. You can see in the figure that they are synthetic because they are made up of the chemicals, that's why they easily catch up the fire. There are some examples of the synthetic fibers like rayon, nylon, polyester, terylene. You can see in the figure that there are different categories of the synthetic fiber depending upon their properties. Now we are going to discuss in detail about the nylon fiber, and second one is the polyester fiber. Number 1, nylon. What is nylon? Nylon is the world's first fully synthetic fiber. Second, its synthesis does not involve any natural raw material, means it is purely chemical in nature. What are the properties of nylon? And before starting the properties, how can you prove that it is like synthetic in nature? That it is produced from the coal, air, water and agricultural products. Next is the properties of nylon. Number 1 properties, it is very strong. Second, it is shiny in nature. It is very soft, smooth and elastic fiber. Third, it is lightweight and easy to wash. Fourth, it is stronger than the steel wire of same thickness. Fifth is easily dyed in different colors. These are the properties of the nylon. Next is, what is the use of the nylon fiber? There are large number of uses of nylon fiber, but the main uses are the stockings, means the socks that we are using, like the stockings, mainly the women's stockings that are made up of the nylon. Second, it is used in the yoga and the tight pants, like that is the bottom for the women's. Same for the men's also. Third, it is used for the sports wear. As you can see that in the sports wear, when we do the physical activity, we get the sweating, and for as it is a absorbent of the as it is a poor absorbent of the moisture, so is in the sports wear we easily carry the nylon t-shirt and the nylon trousers. Okay, so these are the all about the nylon, their properties and uses. Next is the polyester. The term polyester means it is a combination of two words, poly plus ester. Poly means many, and there is one term, mono means one, poly means many. Ester means it is a chemical which gives us fruit-like smell. As we see that in the ice cream like vanilla, butterscotch, there is a like one fragrance is coming. This is due to the as esters are adding into that. Same this is about the polyester. Polyester means many esters. Now, what are the properties of polyester? Polyester is also a synthetic fiber. It is made from the chemicals. Second, it is light in weight. It is very strong. The main important property is that it is the wrinkle resistant and weather resistance. Means in the polyester cloth there cannot be the wrinkle, any wrinkle cannot become, and it is resistant to the weather conditions like rain, water, etc. Now, what are the use of the polyester? Polyester is generally used in the shirts, pants, evening wear, suits, jackets, socks, underwear. What is the use of polyester for our home wear? Used in the bath towels, kitchen towels, face towels, blankets, curtains, sofa pillows. These are the uses of polyester. Last use of polyester is for the industrial application, that is used for the LCD display, like the LCD display of your phone, your laptop, that is made from the polyester. Boat, trap, bottles, the water bottle that we carry to the school is also made up of the polyester, means polythene, many ester like chemicals. Okay, so this is about the polyester. So what we have discussed today, I am concluding it about the synthetic fibers or man-made fibers, their examples, and two examples in detail, nylon and polyester. Okay, thank you students. In case of any query you can call me or message me. Kindly student attend the classes. Second, read the book and do the homework on daily basis for your better concepts. Thank you.